Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds Energy System Style 4. So basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can use the control panel. In the Bluetooth you will have battery level, maybe you need to tap at the Bluetooth line, and right here we have it. The second option is to go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. I mean, you can check it here, but also on some devices it's available to click at this button. But right here we have the same information as in this window, and this one is general battery level, not for the left and right earbud. The third option is to use an application. You need to open a Smart Connect app. Of course, you need to add your earbuds to the application, then you will see them at the device list, tap at your earbuds, and right here we have the battery level for the left and right earbuds, but as you can see, no battery level for the charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!